of you is Secretary Mike Defensor.
Wala po.
Oh,
We've
yun
already
naman pala eh.
established that.
Oh, tapos. So,
Yes,
can
sir.
we leave now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
But sir,
Thank you
let me
for
just want to
coming,
make
sir.
it clear, no? I just want to respond to the allegation earlier that we're investigating a non-crime. That's not true po. As you can see in the joint affidavit of the quote-unquote 18 Marines, may allegations po of graft and corrupt practices, bribery, and other crimes. So, hindi po non-crime ito. May crime po tayong iniimbestigahan.
Okay, sagutin mo ko ngayon. Sagutin mo ko ngayon. Ipapatawag mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? O hindi? O hindi? Tell me now. Para tapos tayo.
Sir,
So, alam natin kung non-crime o crime ito. Tell me, yes or no?
Sandali.
Patatawagin mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? You
Sir,
tell me now.
Let me speak.
Hmm.
So we will have this
Yes or
interview
no?
now.
Yes or no? No, yes or no?
This is not a court. You can't do that, sir. Ha?
So, hindi nyo patatawag. Hindi
Let
kasi
me finish.
sinabi niya
Let me
non-crime.
finish, sir.
Sinabi niya non-crime. Sinabi mo, hindi non-crime. So, if you're